literally takes me sometimes longer to get set up than doing a detail. What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I am excited because we're going to be working on this Toyota 4Runner, which it really isn't in like bad shape, but it kind of is. Obviously, we're going to be working with pet hair, probably a lot of embedded, maybe dirt, sand, whatever the case may be. Toyota carpets are probably one of the most difficult carpets to clean because it's so thin, but they come out really well. We're dealing with pet hair. We're going to be working on this leather as well, cleaning it out. There's some areas in this vehicle that definitely need some loving, kind of like the speakers have some buildup maybe from a drink spill, so we got to get that cleaned out as well. But we are in Aledo, Texas, which from my house, we are about an hour and 55 minutes away. So that is a drive. So we're going to make the best of it. As always, I'm grateful for the referrals, you know, from customers, friends. And this one here, the customer actually was referred from a Facebook group. I believe he's in the Obsessed Garage Facebook group, I'm gonna take a guess. And he asked for somebody if they knew anybody that could detail a car. And two people tagged me. So to those two people, hey, thank you very much. And if you're in this channel, thank you for supporting me. But anyways, we're gonna get started on this vehicle. It's a pretty straightforward detail, nothing crazy, but we definitely got to take our time and get it done right? So we're gonna show them why I was recommended by those two people in that group. So I'm excited as always. Interiors are the ones, it's my passion, I love them. So it's now time to get to work and let's get all set up. Tip number one, whenever you get a brand new brush, you know, especially the ones that are two pieces. And what I mean by that is like the ones that have, like this one here is a Pearl Nano, I think. So a lot of these brushes come in pieces. So if you ever get brushes that's a two-piece, such as this one, right? Not like not like this one. This one's a full piece. This one you'll be okay. It's usually the ones that come in, it's a piece, which is this right here. Right? What I tend to do is I always carry electrical tape with me, and then what I do is I go ahead and tape those two pieces together. So I'll show you really quickly. And it is a great thing to have electrical tape, because that way eventually that piece is gonna fall off, it's gonna break off. So what I tend to do is I will always tape it really nice and tight so that you don't have that piece falling off in the near future, right? I see a lot of detailers also buying like the paint brushes from like Walmart or Home Depot. It is the perfect time to put some electrical tape on that, because you will scratch something, right? And now we are good to go. So this piece is taped up and it's gonna last you even longer, and you won't be so annoyed. And then you won't be like, this brush sucks because it broke off. If you do this, you'll be good to go. When it comes to a vehicle that has leather seating, the majority of your time is gonna be on the carpet, because that is where it is the toughest area. So I always say carpets will usually take me a good maybe 20 minutes, especially like these, because I wanna make sure I can get everything lifted off before the extraction. So in this vehicle, the carpet is gonna be the main area of concentration. Other than the leather looks pretty well, just some minor areas that need some agitation. But the carpet is really the hardest thing to look good, in my opinion. All right, so the tools that you will need when working with any major like heavy traffic carpet is, one, you're gonna need the toilet brush attachment, which is obviously, that's what I call it, but this drill brush attachment. Obviously you'll need a drill brush, doesn't matter what brand. You're gonna need a Vortex air tool, which is gonna be your best friend, and you're also gonna be needing a vacuum and the For Real Pro 2. I gotta tell you, this is car number 65 that I have used it on, and I am very happy with this product. It is definitely much more durable than the first one they made out. The teeth are all still intact, and let me see if you guys can kind of see it. They are still intact. Obviously, we have wore down a good amount, but it is still working. Car number 65 on carpet, and I try to use this every day because I really want to get the most out of the carpet. So this tool has definitely worked. So this is the before. This is how it looks. And then this is after I do all my process. Look at that. Much cleaner. There is still some light hairs on there, but that's okay, because we will be cleaning that up once we get to the extraction. All right, we are to the cleaning stage. We're using Serrano sauce today with the new Max Shine 25-ounce spray bottles. These are their heavy duty chemical resistant triggers. I just bought these about a couple days ago, and I gotta say, I do love the look on them, the aesthetics. And we're gonna be cleaning this door panel as well as this speaker. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. We're using Serrano sauce, and for those who don't know Serrano sauce, well, it is super clean, 10-to-1, diluted as much as possible with the 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. And what that is gonna do is it's gonna open up a lot of the pores, as well as I have never seen it damage anything. Brush, so we're gonna steam clean this. To get the majority of the grime off of this interior. Whew. All right, guys, this project is finally done. It took me a total about 4 hours from beginning to end. It definitely was a little bit dirtier than what I expected, but overall it came out really well. You're about to see on some of these clips the outcome, right? How it finished off. I'm very pleased with the outcome. So for the, obviously in the interior, we always use, we use Serrano sauce for our cleaner. We use Flex BioBreak on the carpet as our pre-spray. And we also use Vintage Waxman's dressing, which I have really liked. I really want to get rid of the bottle because it does really well. But you can also get 10% off when you use discount code Serranos Mobile on their website, which I'll post on the link. For the Max Shine bottle that I used today, they're brand new to me. I gotta say, for the price, they did really well. I love the aesthetics of it, how it looks, and I do love the bottom rubber piece on it, so it keeps it stable. But overall, guys, this project was not that bad, but it did take me a little bit longer than what I expected. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of today's tips that I displayed on this vehicle. Again, remember, when you're dealing with Toyotas, Kias, the carpet is always going to be the most difficult just because it is so thin. So you got to do a little bit more than your regular vacuum. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. As always, I'll catch you guys on the next one.